Now here's a failure that's intermittent. Now we're almost meeting target speed. Sometimes it doesn't work. Right now the compressor is operating. You might be able to hear that humming in the microphone. I'm not sure if it's picking it up. And then it stopped. Engagement. Starting. Now sometimes it'll run for like 5 minutes and the noise will go away and it'll be like a normal operating compressor. Pressures are 34 and 150. And there it goes down. Kicks back in. We're full on refrigerant. There it goes down. Okay, so we could see our target speed. Right now it's kicking in, and when it kicks in, you would hear nothing more than the little click at the compressor, but no spin of the compressor. Yeah, we're consuming up to 400 watts, 700 watts of consumption under our power consumption. So of course when I break out the camera and I start to record, it's not quite functioning like it was. And we had 2 to 3 error codes, with one of the error codes disappearing, but the one is NG, compressor, no good, no engage. And customers' complaint, most of the time the AC doesn't work, which I have confirmed. Okay, there it goes, a little click, and then off. You can hear the fans engage. And I could just barely make out an audible attempt to start the compressor. Yep, that was the ramp up and then shut right down. So I'll recover the refrigerant out of this one.